Hello and welcome to Orange School TV, and today I just wanted to talk about something. Basically, Beach Rock. It's a song by, it's by Whitewoods. They are a vaporwave band, and they upload their songs to their channel, Bug Your Parents. And apparently, this just happened yesterday, but, Beach Rock, their most famous song, has been claimed by a Sony MG music group. Sony MG, basically, they're the copyright holders to a song. And apparently Whitewoods used a sample from the song for their song. So now Sony owns Beach Rock. And, I just wanted to talk about this. I heard the sample that Beach Rock used in their video. And I do think Sony, legally, they could actually do this, I think. But I still think it's fair use. Don't get me wrong, I don't think Sony's justified copyright claiming it. I just think, it makes sense that this would happen, especially this band, I recommend, I haven't done a lot of research on this, so I don't know everything. I would recommend you watch Bug Your Parents' video about it. They just uploaded it. It's made by the people who actually made the video. So, they explain everything. I'll link it in the description. So, and I think, all these music companies, if you use like a millisecond of their song, you just get copyright claim. And it's pretty unfair. And, this hurts. You probably know him, Pyrocynical. It hurts his channel the most. Because, the original creators, they can't make any money off of their work, which is, I think it's fair use. But there aren't a lot of videos on this yet. I watched two. I watched the one by Bug Your Parents, and the one by some guy called Format, I don't know. Just look up R.I.P Beach Rock and you'll find a couple of videos talking about this. Unless, because, but you don't have to because my channel is perfect. Yeah, back to being serious now. This heavily affects Pyrocynical, because he's been using the song since 2015, and basically all of his videos have been probably copyrighted. I don't know for sure. It's their song, it's their music groups on YouTube. They've been taking advantage of content creators for a little while now, so it wouldn't surprise me if they copyright claimed Pyro's channel, or if they just straight up start giving him a copyright strike for using it as his outro, because the song is most heavily affiliated with Pyrocynical. The song got so big because he used it, and if you Google Whitewoods Beach Rock, multiple, and you go to the images, the images are just Pyrocynical, and his little character, and the guy, and it's gonna affect him. We don't know what's gonna happen to this channel. He's probably gonna make a video about it soon. Hopefully, he doesn't get like mass copyright striked. Hopefully he doesn't get Monkey Jones, If you don't know what happened to Monkey Jones, he made videos about the Isla Vista shooter, Elliot Roger, and eventually YouTube gave him 6 copyright strikes on both of his channels, and they got wiped off the face of YouTube. That was also completely unfair. It kind of makes sense that it happened, but it's still unfair. It's the same with here. So again, I love Pyro's older content is good. His newer stuff isn't very good. It's watchable, but he talks too much about this one Instagram chick, Ella Daphne. I don't really care about that. So YouTube commentary, it's not as good as it used to. But yeah, he's gonna be affected by this, and it's bad. It's not it sucks. Something like this would happen to a song that's really good, and it's obviously fair use, in my opinion. Again, research this for yourself. I don't know. I don't know everything. Again, I don't know a lot of research, but just it's pretty unfortunate. And again, you should listen to the song and support the band. The artists that made the song. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to talk about this because it's pretty interesting, and I've used beach rock before, and I'm gonna continue to use the song for a little while, probably, maybe not, I don't know. So yeah, yeah, so, yeah, this is the end of the video now, and goodbye.